In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Workspace email not working after Google Domains migration to Squarespace 5 minutes. If your Gmail suddenly stopped working after the Google Domains transition, don't worry. This usually comes down to billing handoff issues or DNS records that need a quick tune-up. We'll start in your Squarespace account, then confirm everything is connected in the Google Admin Console. Begin by signing into your Squarespace account and opening the Domain section. Choose the domain that should be receiving email. Right away, look for any banners or alerts that say action required or suspended. This migration moved Google Workspace billing to Squarespace for many former Google Domains customers. So if the payment method on file couldn't be verified, Workspace can pause your email service. If you see a suspension notice, head into the billing area in Squarespace and update your payment method. Once billing is verified, service typically restores shortly, but it can take a little time to fully resume. Keep the page open for confirmation and give it a few minutes. Next, check your DNS settings for the domain. Make sure the Google Workspace MX records are present and correct. They should point to Google's mail servers and usually sit on the root of your domain. If you don't see them, add the standard Google MX records or use any Google Workspace preset offered in your Squarespace DNS panel. Avoid duplicates and remove any old MX entries that point somewhere else. After saving, remember that DNS changes can take a bit to propagate, so be patient. While you're in DNS, confirm you have a single SPF TXT record that includes Google's sending service and that you're not running multiple SPF records. Also, check for a DMARC TXT record at the DMARC host. Even a basic policy is better than none and helps pass authentication checks to keep your messages out of spam, save your changes, and allow a little time for them to update across the internet. Now switch to the Google Admin Console, navigate to Account, then Domains, then Manage Domains. Find your domain and see if it shows messages like Setup Incomplete or Activate Gmail. Click into it and follow the prompts to verify the connection with Squarespace. This step tells Google your domain and DNS are correctly configured and reactivates Gmail for the domain once checks pass. After completing these tasks, give it a short while, then try sending and receiving a test email. With billing verified, MX records set, and authentication in place, your Workspace mail should be back on track.